All right, so we're in the truck and I bought a new remote. I went through the menu here to see if I could program this through the settings. This particular model you cannot. So I'm going to pull up the scan tool and show you how to program it with the Bluetooth scan tool. And just for information, this is what we're going to be using today. All right, so we have our key on and the OBDII Elite plugged into the OBDII port. Let's go to our VIN. All right, so let's go to system selection. BCM. All right, where's the BCM? Right there. This is not really intuitive here, but let's go here. Let's go to special functions. Add, replace fobs, erase program all key fobs. And let's confirm. All right, so let's hit learn. All right, so on the dash, it says remote key learning active. So we're going to take our remote, hit both buttons, the light lock cycled. Let's do the other one. Okay, we got a beep. We didn't get a beep on the other one. Let's try this one again. Okay, so we got a couple beeps. Should be finished. So let's exit. You always want to exit out before unplugging that. Okay, so here's the new remote. All right, that works. Let's make sure the old remote works. Awesome. Cool. All right, there you have it. So if you need a new remote and don't know how to program it, pick up one of these app-based Bluetooth scan tools. You'll be able to do so much with it.